In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Docker Desktop and n8n on your computer. This will allow you to easily automate workflows and manage processes with simplicity and efficiency. Let's get started by opening your preferred internet browser. Whether you usually navigate the web with Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, it's completely up to you. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the address bar. Here, you'll want to type in the web address https://www.docker.com/products/docker-desktop/. This URL will take you straight to Docker's official website where you can download Docker Desktop. Upon landing on the page, you'll typically find a prominent download button or link. This is usually updated with the latest version, ensuring you get all the recent features and improvements out of the box. Click on that download option and let your system initiate the downloading process. Remember, depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments to complete, so feel free to grab a coffee or do a quick stretch while you wait. With Docker Desktop now downloaded, it's time to move on to downloading n8n. You can search for it online, or if you're already familiar with the URL, type it into your browser's address bar to find the correct download page. The process here is quite similar. Look for the download link that corresponds with your operating system and begin the download. Once you have both Docker Desktop and n8n downloaded, your next move is to install them. Follow the installation prompts that come up, carefully reading through each step to ensure everything is set up correctly. It's also a good practice to periodically check your computer's firewall settings if you encounter any hiccups, as sometimes they may need a little adjustment for these applications to run smoothly. After both software programs are installed, you can now dive into n8n. Open n8n by navigating to n8n.io, which is their official website. From here, you should have easy access to their platform. If this is your first time visiting, you'll need to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your details and set up your account. Don't worry, this process is straightforward, similar to signing up for any other online service. Once you've established your account, go ahead and sign in. With your installation completed and account set up, you're ready to explore the functionalities of n8n and Docker Desktop. These tools combined offer a robust solution for automating tasks and managing applications with greater efficiency. As you play around with them, you'll find countless ways to streamline your processes or perhaps even discover new possibilities for innovation and productivity. Enjoy your journey with Docker Desktop and n8n, and happy automating.